Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm in my pig pen and I'm clearing it out because I've got a cunning plan. Let me bring you inside and show you what's inside here. Effectively, it's a little tiny walled garden, but it's so much more than that because this is full of social history. This is a pig pen, and behind me is the piggery, and that little arched door will be where the pig would come and go. It would live inside there and it would spend most of its life in this small space. And just down here to the right, there's a hole in the wall where slops would be thrown through. Slops are the kitchen wastes, and they will be used to feed and fatten the pig for the table. Right, nowadays, it's just an empty space. I've lived in this cottage now for 4 years and I've never done a thing with this little tiny space. I've decided to clear it out and do something with it because it's like a little secret garden, and I'm quite excited by this. I have quite a big garden, and it's quite nice to think of something on a much smaller scale, something a bit more self-contained that I can cope with. I've not fully decided what I'm going to do with it yet. First thing, of course, is to clear it out, but look at this. There's a big concrete slab here now. I'm given to understand that this used to have a generator on it which would provide electricity for the house. I could try and take that out. On the other hand, I could put a water feature on it, like a font. And there are plenty of solar powered pumps nowadays, so I don't even need electricity out here. I could have a bubbling font. It's very sheltered and it's quite shady. I could have a fern garden in here. There's all kinds of things I could have in here. I've not fully decided, and we can do some audience participation if you want to. What would you do with this? Look at this. Found these buried in the corner. Incidentally, whilst I'm at it, let me showcase you a couple of tools. If you want to feel like a proper gardener, get yourself one of these. It's an extra large grubbing hoe. It's great. It's a serious piece of kit. You can get right in there. And ever since I got myself a long-handled Irish spade, I've really felt like a proper gardener. So have a look at those. There are links in my Amazon shop. I'll put them in the description box below this video. Anyway, enough selling for one video. What are we going to do with this? This can be part one of a series. The secret garden in a piggery. Let me know what you do. Comments below. And don't forget, get yourself a long-handled Irish spade.